أيها الأطفال الأحبة مرحبا أهلا وسهلا إلى فصلنا. Today we are studying more about present form of the verb. 4 letters are coming in the beginning of present tense. Look at the board. या, ता, अलिफ, नून. These letters are coming in the beginning of present tense. One example. يكتب. يكتب. What is the meaning of يكتب? He is writing. He is writing. Next one. تكتب. تكتب. Meaning of تكتب. She is writing. She is writing. Next one. أكتب. أكتب meaning I am writing. I am writing. Next one. نكتب. نكتب. What is the meaning of نكتب? We are writing. We are writing. We are writing. 4 letters are coming in present tense. In the beginning of present tense. Then meaning also changed. يكتب meaning he is writing. First letter ya. تكتب meaning she is writing. First letter ta. أكتب meaning I am writing. First letter alif. نكتب meaning we are writing. You know? Look at the page number 14. Page number 14. يشرب الأخ الحليب. We know meaning of يشرب. What is the meaning of يشرب? Drinking. يشرب الأخ. The brother is drinking milk. Halib meaning milk. Akh, brother. يشرب الأخ الحليب. തശ്റബുൽ ഉഖ്തു അൽ മാ. തശ്റബുൽ ഉഖ്തു അൽ മാ. What is the difference of these words? Yashrabu meaning he is drinking. Tashrabu meaning she is drinking. Yashrabu using for male, tashrabu using for female. Ah, you know meaning of ah? Ah meaning brother. Ukht meaning sister. Ah male, ukht female. The sister is drinking water. The sister is drinking water. Next one. Yaktubu at-talibu ad-darsa. The student writing lesson. Taktubu at-talibatu ad-darsa. A girl student. Talibatu meaning student, word female. Taktubu at-talibatu ad-darsa. The student writing lesson. But first word taktubu. She is writing lesson. Here yaktubu at-talibu ad-darsa meaning he is writing lesson. Yadhhabul abu ilal masjid. Yadhhabul abu ilal masjid. Yadhhabu meaning going. He is going. He is going. Who is going? Yadhhabul abu. The father is going to mosque. The father is going to mosque. Tadhhabul ummu ilal bayt. The mother is going to house. Abu male, female. Yadhhabul abu. The father is going to mosque. Tadhhabul ummu ilal bayt. The mother is going to house. Yadhhabu meaning going, tadhhabu meaning going. But yadhhabu meaning he is going. Who is going here? Ab. Ab male word. Female. Then here using tadhhabu. Yaqra'ul mudarrisu al-Qur'an. The teacher is reading Quran. Yaqra'u meaning he is reading. Who is reading? The teacher is reading. Mudarris meaning teacher, male teacher. The teacher is reading Quran. Taqra'ul mudarrisatu al-Quran. Mudarrisun meaning teacher, mudarrisatun meaning teacher. Mudarrisun male teacher, mudarrisatun female teacher. Then using here taqra'u. The teacher is reading Quran. Look at the board. Take page number 13. Yashrabu. You read with me. Yashrabu. We know meaning of yashrabu. Meaning of yashrabu, he is drinking. He is drinking. First word, yashrabu. Second word, yunallifu. Yunallifu. What is the meaning of yunallifu? He is cleaning. Yanhalu. He wakes up from sleeping. Yanhalu. Yaqra'u. Yaqra'u. Yaqra'u meaning he is reading. Next one, yaktubu. Yaktubu. Yaktubu meaning he is writing. Yadhabu. Yadhabu meaning he is going. I am repeating my words. Yashrabu, he is drinking. Yunallifu, he is cleaning. Yanhalu, he wakes up. Yaqra'u, he is reading. Yaktubu, he is writing. Yadhabu, he is going. Now, we are writing here Tashrabu. Tashrabu. Now changed the meaning. What is the meaning of Tashrabu? Yashrabu meaning he is drinking. Tashrabu meaning she is drinking. Yunallifu. Here tunallifu. Tunallifu. Meaning of tunallifu, she is cleaning. Yanhalu. Here tanhalu. Next, yaqra'u. Taqra'u. Yaktubu. Taktubu. Yadhabu. Tadhabu. Yashrabu. Tashrabu. Yunallifu. Tunallifu. Yanhalu. Tanhalu. Yaqra'u. Taqra'u. Yaktubu. Taktubu. Yadhabu. Tadhabu. Ya using for male. Ta using for female. You know meaning of ya and ta? In the beginning of present form of the verb, coming 4 letters which are that ya, ta, alif and noon. Look at the board. Next one. Ashrabu. Ashrabu. What is the meaning of ashrabu? Ashrabu meaning I am drinking. Ashrabu meaning I am drinking. I am drinking. Nashrabu. Nashrabu meaning we are drinking. We are drinking. We are drinking. Unallifu. Unallifu meaning, what is the meaning of unallifu? Unallifu. You know meaning of unallifu? He is cleaning. Meaning of unallifu. I am cleaning. Here nunallifu. Nunallifu. Meaning of nunallifu, we are cleaning. Nunallifu meaning we. Meaning of nune, we. Like that, yenhalu. Yenhalu. What is the meaning of yenhalu? He wakes up. Tenhalu meaning she wakes up. Anhalu meaning I am waking up from sleep. Nenhalu. We are waking. Nenhalu meaning we are waking. Aqra'u meaning I am reading. Aqra'u, I am reading. Naqra'u meaning naqra'u, we are reading. You know meaning of ya', ta', alif and noon. Take page number 14. Tanhalu sajida minan naw. Tanhalu sajida minan naw. What is the meaning of tanhalu? Sajida, waking from sleep. Next, what we do here? Yunallifu or tunallifu? Look at the picture. She is cleaning teeth. Yunallifu. Yunallifu. Tunallifu. tunallifu. Which is correct? Sajida. This is female. Then using here tunallifu. You write here tunallifu. Next, she is doing prayer. She is doing prayer. Yusalli. Yusalli. Tusalli. Which is correct? Tusalli. You write to here tusalli. Tusalli as-subh. Tusalli as-subh. First one tanhalu sajida minannaw. Tunalliful asnana bil furshati wal ma'juni. Tusalli as-subh. Next one تقرأ الدرس. تقرأ الدرس. تقرأ الدرس. She is reading lesson. Then next dash at-tadribat. Dash at-tadribat. Tadribat meaning exercises. Yaktubu or taktubu? Taktubu. Taktubu tamrinat. Taktubu. She is writing taktubu. Then next dash ashai. Which word is suitable here? Yashrabu or tashrabu? Yes, tashrabu. 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 Tunallifu. Tunallifu. Read and write these words to your notebook. Tunallifu. You write meaning from this side. Tunallifu. Next one. Tusalli. Tusalli. What is the meaning of tusalli? She is doing prayer. Next one. Taqra'u. Taqra'u. What is the meaning of taqra'u? She is reading. Taktubu. Taktubu. Meaning of taktubu? She is writing. Tunallifu meaning she is cleaning. Tusalli meaning she is doing prayer. Taqra'u she is reading. Taktubu she is writing. Next word. Tashrabu. Note space here. Then I am writing here. Tashrabu. Tashrabu. Meaning of tashrabu. She is drinking. You write here. Tashrabu. Tashrabu meaning she is drinking. You rewrite these words to correct places. First, tunallifu, tusalli, taqra'u, taktubu, tashrabu. You read textbook 1 or 2 times. Then you get meaning of these words correctly. Thank you, students. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.